Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Which element has a full outer electron shell and does not easily react with other elements? Which element has a full outer electron shell and does not easily react with other elements? A, neon. B, nitrogen. C, carbon. D, chlorine.
Neon.
Neon, correct. All right, so we are through with level 2. We are going over to level 3. Level 3, you have 8 seconds. 8 what? Seconds. 8 seconds to answer your questions. And remember, it gets harder. So you have to be very, very fast. All right, Sophia Okolie. 15. Okay. For level 3, your point is 15. You have 15 points for level 3. So if you've missed level 1 and level 2, you can make it up in level 3, at least. All right, are we ready? Sophia Okolie, 15 points for level 3. So we have questions 1 to questions 15. So pick a number. You have questions 1 to 15. Pick a number.
Number 3.
Number what?
I'm not hearing you.
Number 3.
I'm not hearing you.
But I can hear you clearly. I said pick your number.
Number 3.
Okay. Number 3. Which element in period 3 is a metalloid? Which element in period 3 is a metalloid? A, silicon. B, phosphorus. C, sulfur. D, argon. Argon.
A.
Correct. Silicon.
A.
Correct. Correct.
Correct.
God's Power Sunday. Are you with me? Can you hear me? God's Power, can you hear me? You can tell your teachers if they're around you that we are live on YouTube, okay? So they can watch it on YouTube instead of trying to cause distraction. God's Power, can you look at my face? Can you see me? God's Power, can you see me and hear me clearly? It's not. God's Power. Okay, so let's move to Ugochi Chimeze. When God's Power comes back, I'll ask him his question. Ugochi Chimeze.
Yes, ma.
Chimeze, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
You're fine. All right, so number 3 is out. We have number 1, number 2, and 4 to 15. So pick a number. Number what?
Number 2.
Number
2.
2. Speak directly into your mic, okay? So we don't have issues. Ugochi Chimeze, number 2. What is the electron configuration of magnesium? What is the electron configuration of magnesium? A, 281. B, 282. C, 283. D, 272.
B. B.
What did you say?
B. B.
B is correct. All right. Odinaka Ogidi. Odinaka, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have questions 4 to 15. So pick your number.
Question 1.
Question 1. Which element among the first 20 has the highest electronegativity? Which element among the first 20 has the highest electronegativity? A, sodium. B, fluorine. C, oxygen. D, chlorine.
B, fluorine.
Beautiful.
Ma, you did not ask me a question.
Say fluorine. Say B, fluorine. God's power, Sunday. I will come back to you at the end. Your network, I don't know if it was your network that was having issues. So I'll come back to you, okay? Ifunanya Chukwuma. Ifunanya Chukwuma, are you here?
Yes.
Where's Ifunanya? I'm not seeing the Ifunanya. Ifunanya Chukwuma.
Yes, ma.
Where are you, please? I can't find your face.
I'm here.
Okay. So Ifunanya, you have questions 5 to 15.
6.
Questions 4 to 15. So pick a number.
6.
Question 6. Which element has the smallest atomic radius among the first 20? Which element has the smallest atomic radius among the first 20? A, lithium. B, fluorine. C, neon. D, sodium.
Lithium.
Final answer. Wrong. Correct answer is neon, not
Lithium.
lithium. Not lithium, neon. So you failed it. See.
I told you, the more you add it, it's like more people in the
Divine Oluduro.
Ma.
Divine Oluduro.
Yes, ma.
Thank you. So we have questions 4 to 5, 7 to 15. Pick a number.
Question 5.
Question 5. What is the group number of oxygen? What is the group number of oxygen? A, group 2, B, group 6, D, C, group 7, D, group 8.
The group number.
Yes.
Okay.
Time up.
Group 2, ma.
Time up. Divine, you failed it. The group number is group 6. Unjoku Favor.
Yes, ma'am.
Please pick a number. We have question 4, 7 to 15.
Question 4.
Question 4. Question 4. Which of these elements will form an ion with a charge of +2? Which of these elements will form an ion with a charge of +2? A, sodium. B, calcium. C, nitrogen. D, aluminium. Uncle, I said wrong. You are gone. No need. Failed it. You failed it. You failed it. You are not looking straight into your camera. You are staring or looking at who, I don't know.
I did not hear you.
You would have said, please repeat the question, or I did not hear you. Not that you are looking.
Okay, ma'am.
Unjoku Favor. That's
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
right? All right, so you're
Yes, ma'am.
gone. Barakat Badmos. Sorry.
Yeah.
Barakat Badmos.
Ma'am.
All right, so pick a number. We have questions 7 to 15.
Number 9.
Number what?
9.
Number 9. Here comes your question. Number 9. Which of these elements forms a basic oxide? Which of these elements forms a basic oxide? A, sulfur, B, phosphorus, C, magnesium, D, chlorine. Time up. Time up. The correct answer is magnesium. Khalid Umar, remember your time now is 8 seconds. Khalid Umar, are you here? Khalid Umar.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, pick a number. We have question 7 and 8, then 10 to 11, 15.
7.
Question what?
7.
Question 7. Khalid Umar, I can't find your face. So. Where are down? Khalid, question 7. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, here comes your question. Which pair of elements are in the same period? Which pair of elements are in the same period? A, sodium and potassium, B, lithium and sodium, C, carbon and oxygen, D, calcium and magnesium.
Carbon and oxygen.
Correct. Christabel. I'm missing something. Christabel.
Yes, ma'am.
Christabel Kennedy, pick your number. We have questions 11 to 15.
Question 11.
Question 11. Here comes your question. Which element has 2 outermost electrons, but it's not a transition metal? Which element has 2 outermost electrons, but is not a transition metal? A, beryllium, B, magnesium, C, calcium, D, all of the above.
All of the above.
Correct. All right, so God's Power Sunday. Are you here now? Are you ready for your question? God's Power, so pick a number. We have question 12 to 15.
Number what?
Pick your number.
Which of the numbers? Number
We have
11.
12 to 15.
Number 15.
Number 15. Please position your camera properly. Good. And look straight into the camera. Number 15. Number 15. Here comes your question. What is the oxidation state of calcium in calcium chloride? A +1, B +2, C -1, D 0.
A.
Wrong. Wrong. All right, so we are moving to the last level. This is the final level for junior.
Ma, please, my
And-
name wasn't called.
That's the person I called.
Ma, please, my name wasn't called.
Your name wasn't called, Mr.
Yes.
Kennedy.
No, Okpara Virtue.
Okpara Virtue. Okay, you
Yes.
were not around. I called you now. You didn't answer me. All right.
I didn't.
So pick your question now.
Number 13.
Number 13. Thank God you called my attention back to it. If not, you would have missed that. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Which of these elements is most likely to form a covalent compound? Which of these elements is most likely to form a covalent compound? A, sodium, B, chlorine, C, magnesium, D, calcium.
Calcium.
Wrong. Correct answer is chlorine. All right. So we are going over to the final level. This is 20 points. This gives you 20 what? 20 points, 20 mark, or whatever point you want to call it. And this is hard also because you can't get the same kinds of questions. And we have 7 seconds to answer the question. We have what? 7 seconds to answer the question. So you have to be fast. And your time will start counting immediately I'm done with calling out the options, okay? Right?
Yeah.
All right, Sophia Okolie, your question. We have
Yes,
questions
ma'am.
1 to 15. Question
I just number 3.
number 3. Number 3, Sophia. Can I see your
Yes,
face,
ma'am.
please? I'm not seeing her. Sophia.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. Which element has 2 valence electrons and belongs to period 3? Which element has 2 valence electrons and belongs to period 3? A, magnesium, B, calcium, C, aluminium, D, silicon.
A.
Correct. God's Power Sunday. We have questions 1 and 2, 4 to 15. Pick a number.
Wait. 1.
All right, number 1. Please adjust your camera. Put your phone or whatever you're using properly. Let me see your face. Thank you. Number 1, question 1. Which of the following correctly explains why fluorine is more reactive than chlorine? Which of the following correctly explains why fluorine is more reactive than chlorine? A, fluorine has more electron shells. B, fluorine has a smaller atomic radius and high electronegativity. C, fluorine has fewer neutrons. D, fluorine is a noble gas.
B.
B, what?
Fluorine has.
Fine. You got the letter, but I wanted you to be able to, at least if you get something, you should be able to say, okay, this is actually the correct answer. You got the letter, the answer, the option. But you really cannot tell me what it means. How am I sure that you were not told B? Yeah?
I can't hear you.
So explain why B is the correct answer.
It said chlorine has high
Where is it? Where did you disappear to?
me.
Yes.
Chlorine.
God's power. Where are you? You're laughing. I'm not going to give it to you. I'm going to give you another question. I'll just call it a random question. No need for you to pick a number. God's power Sunday. Do you know I'm not going to give it to you? Now, I read the question out twice and I read the option. You picked B. At least if you were able to say, even read the option to half of it, I would have given it to you. It means you don't know it. Do you understand? So I'm going to read an option for you, a question. Or what do you guys think?
Yes.
My team
can't
member
hear
said
you.
I should just give you. So I'll give that to you. Okay. All right. So the next person will go Chimeze. So you're off the hook.
Yes, ma.
All right. We'll go to pick a number. We have number
Number
1
2.
and 3 taken. Number 2.
Number 2.
Ugochi, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma.
All right. All right. Here comes your question. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. What type of bonding is present? Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. What type of bonding is present? A, covalent, B, ionic, C, metallic, D, hydrogen.
C.
What? Be fast.
C.
C. C is wrong. The correct answer is metallic. Wow. Yeah. The correct answer is ionic. Yeah? Ionic. That's what I said. Okay, sorry, ionic, Jerry. Sorry, correct. You said metallic, but the correct answer is ionic. All right. Odinaka Ogidi. Remember, the last level has the highest point. So you need to struggle to make sure that you get it. Do you understand?
I didn't know the answer. I didn't know the answer.
You didn't know the answer. I know that you didn't know the answer. Sorry about that. You've tried. Oh, sure. All right. Odinaka Ogidi.
Yes, ma'am.
Put up this one since you're using. No. Put it on. Put it on. Odinaka Ogidi.
Yes,
You have questions? Questions 4 to 15.
Okay, question 4.
Question 4. Which element among the first 20 is least metallic. Which element among the first 20 is least metallic? A, lithium, B, fluorine, C, sodium, D, magnesium.
Fluorine.
Fluorine, correct. Ifunanya Chukuma, pick your number. Ifunanya
Six.
Chukuma,
6.
number 6.
Yeah, on it.
The element with atomic number 17 reacts vigorously with metals to form. The element with atomic number 17 reacts vigorously with metals to form. A, ionic salt, B, covalent molecules, C, metallic alloys, D, oxides.
No.
Time up. Time up. Virtue Okpara. Nnewogo. Virtue, where are you?
Yes, ma.
Okay, pick your number. We have from number 7 to number 15.
Number 10.
So like, I'm sure the
Number 10.
Yes, ma.
Who is talking?
It's
I
me,
can't
Virtue.
see you, Virtue.
Virtue.
Okay. Please, I want you to look straight into the camera, okay?
Okay, ma.
Number 10. Here comes your question. Which of the following explains why neon is chemically inert? Which of the following explains why neon is chemically inert? A, it has 2 electron shells. B, it has a full outer electron shell. C, it is non-metal. D, it is heavy. It is very heavy.
B, it has a full outer electron shell.
Correct. Divine Oluduro, pick
Ma.
your number.
Ma, number 9.
Number 9. Which element forms a diatomic molecule in its natural state? Which element forms a diatomic molecule in its natural state? A, carbon, B, oxygen, C, magnesium, D, sodium.
B, carbon.
Wrong. Correct answer is oxygen. Njoku Favor.
Yes, ma'am.
Njoku Favor, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Why is it I can't see you?
I'm here.
Okay. Njoku, pick your number.
Number 5.
Number 5 has been taken, I think. Sorry, hold on. It has been taken. 5 has been taken. You have question 8, 11 to 14.
Question 11.
Question 11. Question 11. Which statement about group 1 metals is correct? Which statement about group 1 metals is correct? A, reactivity decreases down the group. Reactivity increases down the group. They are all gases at room temperature. They form covalent compounds with oxygen.
Ma, I did not hear you.
Reactivity decreases down the group. B, reactivity increases down the group. They are all gases at room temperature. They form covalent compounds with oxygen.
Reactivity increases down the group.
I didn't find, but he wasn't looking stupid. Unjoku, I'm
Ma.
going to call another question for you. Now listen. Are you listening?
Yes, ma.
You can hear me.
Yes,
Now
ma.
the instruction says, look straight into the camera. You cannot hear me, does not give you the right to look. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Did you see me? So I'm going to read
Yes,
another
ma.
question. This will be your last time, last chance. Hold on. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Don't tell me that you cannot hear me again. The element that is soft, the element that is a soft, highly reactive metal stored under oil is, the element that is a soft, highly reactive metal stored under oil is A, sodium, B, magnesium, C, calcium, D, aluminium. Time up.
Sodium.
Barakat, Badmus. You missed it because you said it after time up.
Yes.
Barakat, Badmus, pick your number.
Yes. Number 12.
Number 10. Okay, number 10. Which element in period 2 is a non-metal with 5 valence electrons? Which element in period 2 is a non-metal with 5 valence electrons? A, nitrogen, B, oxygen, C, fluorine, D, carbon.
Nitrogen.
Correct. Khalid Umar.
Yes, ma'am.
Pick a number. We have number 12 and 14, I think. 12 to 14.
No, I can't hear you.
Pick a number 12 to 14.
Number 13.
13 has been taken. 12 and 14.
14.
Which element forms a compound with water to produce a strongly alkaline solution? Which element forms a compound with water to produce a strongly alkaline solution? A, sodium, B, magnesium, C, aluminium, D, carbon.
Carbon.
Time up. Correct answer is sodium. Christabel Kennedy. I need one.
Yes, please.
Sure. Okay. Okay. The number, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you pick a number? Sorry.
No.
I wanted to read the wrong one. So pick a number. We have 11 and 15. No, is it 11? Yeah. 9 and 15.
9.
9. The number of electrons in the outer shell of oxygen is. The number of electrons in the outer shell of oxygen is A4, B6, C8, D2.
6.
6, correct. All right, so we'll come to the end of this competition. Thank you, everybody, for participating. I know it's kind of not really what we normally do. This is periodic table. And it goes to show that you all went out of your way to learn and study. All right, so I'm going to call out your points so you know what you were able to score at the end of the day. And if there is a tie, we're going to do what we call sudden death. Sudden death simply means I'll call out a question. The person that gets the correct answer, that says the answer first, becomes the winner for that particular one. So let me tally your numbers, total your scores, call out the scores, then we know who will stay and who will go. So give me a minute. All right. So Sophia Okole, you have 35 points. God's Power Sunday, you have 20 points. Ugo Chichimeze, you have 30 points. Odinaka Ogidi, you have 50 points. Ifunaya Chukuma, you have 15 points. Virtue Okpara, you have 25 points. Divine Oluduro, you have 5 points. Unjoku Favor, you have 5 points. Barakat Badmos, you have 35 points. Khalid Umar, you have 20 points. Christabel Kennedy, you have 50 points. So for first and second, we are going to do a sudden death between Ogidi Odinaka and Christabel Christabel Kennedy. So we are going to do sudden death. I'll call out a question. You give me the answer. So for the rest, you can log out. I'll call those that are to remain. We have Ogidi Odinaka, stay behind. Christabel Kennedy, stay behind. Okay. Nothing. Okay. That what? Ogidi Odinaka and Christabel Kennedy will compete for first and second. Sophia Okolie and Barakat Badmus will compete for third position. All right, remember what I said about sudden death? When I call your question, now the first question will be for Ogidi, Odinaka, and Christabel Sunday. Ogidi, Odinaka, and Christabel Sunday. So whoever gives me the option, that's the correct answer. The first person to say it takes first position. The second person goes for second position. Do you understand what I just said?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is
Yes,
Ogidi? Odinaka?
Mommy. Yes, ma'am.
Odinaka, so you are going to compete for first or second position now. You are competing with Christabel. So whoever gives me the correct answer takes first. Then the next person takes second, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ogidi and Christabel, are we ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right, so I'm not going to call option. So I'll read out the question.
Yes,
You give me
ma'am.
the answer. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The rest of you, don't say anything. This competition is between Ogidi and Christabel. Please, everybody mute your mic. The only people to unmute is Ogidi. Ogidi, unmute your mic. Christabel, unmute your mic. Oluchi. Okay, I think the other people have muted. Mute your mic. Who is it? Okay. Who is using this girl? Who is this? Mute your mic, everybody. The only persons that should unmute is Christabel and Ogidi Odinaka. All right, your question starts now. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I want both of you to chorus
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma together. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
hear Ogidi. Ogidi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you need to be audible so that someone else doesn't take what belongs to you, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm good to go. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which
Yes, ma'am.
element among the first 20 has the highest melting point? Which element among the first 20 has the highest melting point?
Carbon.
What? Are you guys waiting for
Carbon.
me to give you option? Carbon. Thank you. Okay, so Odinaka takes first. I said I was not going to read out the option. That's the instruction. So Christabel, you take second. Odinaka takes first. Second. Thank you. So for third position, we have Sophia Okolie and Barakat Badmus. Are you ready? Please mute your mic. Apart from Barakat and Sophia, the rest mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are not using Oluchi Ejiaka. All right. All right.
Ma'am?
Can you hear me, both of you, Barakat and Sophia?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. What is the valency of argon? Argon. What is the valency of argon?
0.
What?
0.
Thank you, Barakat. Barakat takes third. So we've come to the end of this competition. Thank you, everybody. You guys really tried. I would have said clap yourself, but let me clap you. Because you actually tried. It's not easy. Thank you. Hope to see you some other time. Maybe at our live event or online. But thank you so much. It's actually not easy. Ugochi, you really tried. Well done. Thumbs up. Christabel, Sophia, God's Power, Odinaka, Ifunaya, Virtue, Divine, Favor, Barakat, Khalid, Christabel. Thank you so much. See you next time. You can now log out so that the other senior participants can log in. Thank you. So we'll revert back to you guys for the first, second, third. Maybe we'll come to your school or something for your certificate, the way we normally do it. So you can log out. Thank you.
She said she's okay now. Okay, so it's okay. Leave it.